you doing? I hope you're okay. Welcome to Armcandy. Welcome to snowy Armcandy. The snow is really starting to come down outside now. Today's bag, that's just on the website, is this gorgeous Mulberry Daria Satchel in that beautiful pebbled leather that Mulberry do. So it's soft and unctuous and squidgy leather. It's beautiful. Colour-wise, I've called it taupe brown because it is brown. Come back, you can see it is brown, but it's got a very kind of mushroomy, taupey tone to it. So we've gone with taupe brown, and of course it's got that fabulous plaque on it. So distinctive and so beautiful. Okay, so the handle is adjustable. It is part leather and part plaited leather, and you can either have it full length like this, or you can have it half the length. So it's got a fasten on one side, you undo the fasten and then thread the strap through the ring onto the other ring where you attach it, and then it halves the length so you have a nice shoulder bag instead. It's got on the side, both sides, these two chunky mulberry studs. And then let's swab it on the outside. I'll just show you the sides and the base as well. And the back. Okay, so as we said, the gorgeous plaque, big flap closure. This piece here is a beautiful soft brown suede, chocolate suede, and then there is a magnetic press-stud fasten there, and inside it's brown fabric with the mulberry tree logo. Okay, so a nice deep space. There's one zipped pocket just here, and you've got mulberry tag there, and then on the other side a little flat pocket. Okay, so let's just put it on and show you the size. The exact measurements are on the website. This is just to give you an idea. I am a UK size 10. I'm about 5'4". That gives you an idea, or obviously you could wear it as a shoulder if you do with the straps. What I say about the leather, I can feel this kind of hugging my body. It feels so nice and safe and secure. Beautiful, beautiful leather. Okay, condition-wise, so we've said that the exterior is in good condition. I don't really have anything to point out to you. You can just see that it's been worn. There is very slight wearing on the corners. Nothing much really. There is some wear, a little bit of wear on the, you can see it on the strap. But good condition, you can just tell that it's been used. The same with the inside. The inside is in good condition. You can tell it's been used, but there's nothing particularly for me to point out. The hardware, we've called worn. Now, actually, it's okay. All of this hardware here and the studs, and again this side, that is all excellent. The only reason I called it worn is because of the plaque, which does have some hairline scratches and some signs of wear. Now I'm moving this around to see if it can catch the light so you get an idea of the plaque. It's not that bad. There you go, you can maybe see some of the scratching if I do that. But there is a link to this if you were interested in purchasing this or having a better look at it on the website. If you go to my comments below, it will take you straight to this page, and then from there you can look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, bag straps, all that kind of thing. They're all on there. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. And then go and have a look at the website, look at what we've got on there. If you haven't yet subscribed to our newsletter, it's a free newsletter, and we send you a discount code for your first purchase. If you've not yet done that, click the link underneath in the comments, go to the website, scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, and there's a little box at the bottom. You put your email address in, and then we send you your discount code. It should come through immediately. If it doesn't come through in a minute or two, check your spam folder. Sometimes it ends up in there, so check that. But then you've got your discount code ready. Even if this isn't going to be your first bag, go and get your discount code ready so that you are good to go when you see the bag that you do want. And if there are any bags that you're actually looking for, like if there's a bag that you are trying to track down on the pre-owned market, let me know what it is, and then we have a request list of everyone that's sort of looking for specific bags. I can put you on there, and then when it comes in, I can give you a heads up and let you know that it's arrived and it's on the website. So either leave me a comment below, or if you go to the website, you'll be able to get the email address, or there's a contact page, you can message me from that. Let's see if we can't get you your dream bag. See you tomorrow.